Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be something new on my channel. I have recently discovered the world of project panning and I find it fascinating, so I want to start doing that and really utilizing and using up the items I have already in my collection and, you know, not being so wasteful and, you know, letting makeup go bad or just not using it. So I thought the first items that I would project pan would be my skincare. I have a lot of different things here and I've had them for a while, but I do use them, but I want to use them all up because I did just purchase a Rodan and Field regimen. A family member of mine just started selling it, so I want to give it a try. I've heard a lot of good things about it, but the whole point of that regimen is to only use that and not to mix it with other things. So I figured I will just use up all the skincare I have, and once it's used up, I will go ahead and start the Rodan and Field regimen. Like I have a few things here. It's kind of like my go-to skincare recently. I know I talk about Sunday Riley a lot on my channel. None of that is in here. I have not repurchased Sunday Riley in quite some time. So I still love Sunday Riley. There's nothing bad to say about it. I love everything. I'm just going to be trying something new. So let's go ahead and get into the items that I am going to try to use up by the end of March. Like, fingers crossed. So let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, the first item I'm going to try to go ahead and depan or use up, because obviously none of these have a pan, and that is the Lancome Je ne sais Fique. This is the Youth Activating Oil. I've had this for a while. As you can see, it's almost gone. I don't have too much left, probably about a month's worth if I use it morning and evening. But you pop it open like this and the popper comes out, and then it gives you the exact amount you need. Now, when I first got this, I did notice instant results. It did make my skin feel hydrated and more plump, but I did get the big bottle, so I've had this, I want to say, about 5 months. And honestly, the long-term benefits that it talks about, like decreasing fine lines and wrinkles and all that, I really don't see it, and I'm kind of disappointed in it. I think when you initially do use it, it does hydrate your skin. It does kind of plump the skin, but if you don't use it, you don't see the results. So it's not giving me the long-term results that it said it would. So I just want to use it up and definitely won't be repurchasing this. The next item that I want to use up is the Advanced Night Repair, and this is from Estee Lauder. I really do like this. It smells like children's liquid multivitamins. If you're a mom and you ever had to give your baby like liquid vitamins, that's what it smells like. But it also comes in a dropper. I do like this. It does repair the skin, in my opinion. Like if I had a blemish or any type of like funkiness to my skin that I needed to heal, like I did have a chemical burn here from trying a new acne treatment, and I use this and I do find that they heal quicker, so I do like this. I think it was a pretty good product just for healing the skin and just repairing any damage you had to it. But obviously I'm not going to be repurchasing at this time because I am trying that new regimen, but I did like this. Also from that line, I had the, what is this called? Advanced Night Repair Eye Concentrate. Now this is almost gone. I only have like, I don't know if you can see that in the camera. It's like a tiny little bit. I'm having a hard time getting it out. But it does come with like this glass applicator here. And then it gives you the product and you just kind of swipe it under the eye. I do notice this helping with hydration. It didn't help with like my fine lines or puffiness, but it definitely helped hydrate the under eye. So in the morning when I woke up, it was still like plump and kind of not so crepey under there, but I did like this for hydrating. Okay, the next item I definitely need to use up. I keep forgetting to use this. I like it, but I keep forgetting to use it. And it is the Kate Somerville Titan Cryogenic Tightening Gel. And this is the cool one I talked about on my channel not too long ago. It comes out in a foam. You have to shake it. It's in an aerosol can. And it like pops. Like, and it almost sounds like Pop Rocks. I don't know if you can hear it on camera. But it does. And You use this in the last step of your skincare after you put everything in, and you just rub it in, and it's very cold, and you can instantly feel it tightening your skin. Like, I definitely notice large pores really tightening up. Any fine lines I have right here are less visible. So I do think this is a really good product. It definitely works. I mean, I'm not sure if it works long term, but instantly, like if right before you do your makeup, I think this is really nice. It does have like, I don't know, it's like a fresh scent, but almost like a chemically undertone. But I do like this, but I'm going to try to go ahead and use this up. And I don't, like, it doesn't seem like there's too much left in there, but I keep leaving it down here, and I want to put it up in my bathroom because that's where I obviously do my skincare. But I put it down here thinking I would put it on right before my makeup, and then I forget. So I'm just going to put it up there so I can remember. Okay, next item is from Lancome, and this is the Energy Day V, and this is the Illuminating and Purifying Exfoliating Mask. I really like this stuff. As you guys know, I tend to really lean more towards chemical exfoliators. I just like them better, and this is what that is. It smells so good. It's almost gone, which I'm kind of sad about because I really like this. I do this mask about 1 or 2 times a week. It just smells like cucumbers and citrus. Like, I love the way this smells. It definitely works. My skin definitely feels smoother, softer, more plump after I use it. But I've had it for quite a while, and I really need to use it up. I only have a little bit left, so I'm definitely going to try to stick to twice a week just so I can use this up and it doesn't go to waste. But I really do like this product. Honestly, I like all of these products I'm about to talk about, which is why I continually use them, so I don't need to continue to say that. The next 2 items that I really want to go ahead and use up is both by Ole Henriksen. It is the Pure Truth Youth Activating Oil. This, I love oils on my skin. It hydrates my skin. I use it only at night, but I love it. I mean, my skin feels so plump after I use it. I only have a tiny bit left. I've been using this for years, and I definitely recommend it if you have dry skin. And the next one is the Invigorating Night Transformation Gel. I have about that much left in here. This is what I talked about before as being a dupe for the Sunday Riley Good Genes treatment, but this is a bit more harsh. So if you have sensitive skin, I would stick to the Sunday Riley one. This is cheaper though, but I really do enjoy this. It really, I mean, it's a chemical exfoliator as well, but this is like more heavy duty. It definitely, you can feel it kind of, I don't want to say stinging, but you can feel something happening on your face that has a mild discomfort to it, but you can kind of build yourself up to it. The more I use it, the less discomfort I have. I hate using the word discomfort because it's not really discomfort. It's just, you can kind of, it's like tingling and like kind of itching. It makes me feel itchy. But it does go away within a few minutes. And then in the morning, your skin like just feels so soft. Like it just exfoliates, gets all the dead off your skin. It really plumps fine lines, smooths out the skin. It has AHAs in it, which are really good for the skin. And it kind of just resurfaces your skin. And I really enjoy this. So I'm going to try to use this up. Like I said, there's only that much left in here. So I'll definitely have it used up by the end of the month. And the last skincare product I'm going to use up, because I've had this since the summer and it's almost gone, and I just need to finish it. And it is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss Cupacoca. No, that's so wrong. Cupuco, I don't know. It's lip butter. It looks like this. I love this. You guys know I'm like obsessed with Sol de Janeiro. All their products. I have not tried something from them that I do not like. But I literally only have this much left, and I'm going to make myself use it. I usually don't finish lip products like this. I usually lose them, so I'm really proud of myself. I've had this since summer and have not lost it, and literally have almost completed it. This will be an accomplishment for me to finish this. So I'm going to leave this down here in my vanity makeup filming area and use it prior to doing my makeup every day, kind of as a lip treatment, so I can continue to use that. There is absolutely nothing wrong with these products that I have talked about. I just really want to try out the Rodan & Fields line. and I will do a review on that. I'm getting it for review purposes. I paid for it with my own money. I am not affiliated with them whatsoever. It's just a family member of mine is selling it. I've heard a lot of people talk about it on YouTube. Some reviews are great, some are, it didn't work for me, and others are kind of, it was okay. And I've seen the before and after pictures, and I'm really enticed about it. I definitely want to try it. So I went ahead and purchased it. I got the Lash Boost Serum, which is supposed to help boost your eyelashes and eyebrows. I did get the anti-aging regimen, as well as both of their under eye treatments, because you guys know I'm always on the search for an amazing under eye treatment for fine lines, mainly puffiness. And I have a little tiny bit of darkness, not anything that I'd really complain about, but it's supposed to hydrate, reduce fine lines, reduce puffiness, and also reduce dark circles. So I'm going to be putting all of that to the test, and I'm going to put it to a long test. I don't know if you guys want me to, as soon as I get the regimen, kind of talk about it, show you what I got, and maybe show you my first impressions, or show you the actual skincare routine I will be doing with that. Or do you want me to just do that all in one video, or break it up into like first impressions, 1 month in, 2 months in, and like kind of my final thoughts? Let me know what you want down below if you're interested in hearing about Rodan & Fields and getting kind of a perspective of the consumer rather than, say, a consultant, because I know there's a lot of consultants, and I'm sure they're not lying, but a lot of people, you know, are going to be a little iffy if they're telling the truth or not, because they are selling the product. So if you want my opinion as the actual consumer, let me know down below. If you have used it, let me know your, you know, what you thought of it, your thoughts on it down below as well. And at the end of the month, I will come back and kind of show you how far I got on this project pan and if I actually was successful or not. So that will probably be the end of March, because I'm giving myself till March. So wish me luck. This is my first project panning I've ever done. I'm trying to decide what I want to do next, like if I want to just pull like 10 makeup products or what. I'm still new to the whole project panning thing, so I'm going to go watch a few more videos and see how other channels do it and what's most successful for them. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, let me know all your comments down below. Like I said about these products, I love them. There's nothing wrong. I just really want to try something new. But yeah, I love you, and I'll talk to you again real soon. Bye-bye.